Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the background from any photo using Affinity. First, open your photo in Affinity and make sure you're in Pixel Persona. Next, select the layer of the image you want to edit. Go to the Object Selection tool, right-click on it and choose Selection Brush tool. Now, gently brush over the object you want to keep. Don't worry about the edges too much yet. For perfect result, click on Refine at the top of the screen. A window called Refine Selection will open. Switch to Matte mode and carefully brush along the edges. This helps Affinity distinguish between your object and the background. Once you're happy, click Apply. Finally, click Mask, and just like that, your background is gone. You now have a clean selection of your object, ready for any design. If you liked this video, subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.